23 Chevy Equinox oil life reset. All right, now what you're gonna want to do is use your steering wheel controls here and make sure you're in for the info screen. That's the blue eye there, and then go up or down until you get to oil life. All right, this one says 94%. We're resetting to 100%. We changed the oil today. Press and hold down the check mark on the steering wheel. You'll hear that beep and I'll reset to 100%. This one has an air filter also. You can do the same thing. Put a new one in there. Hold it down. And reset it to 100%. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it won't let you yet. Guess not. Oh, you go over to the right and hit reset. There you go.